If your Windows 11 search bar has stopped responding, not typing, or showing blank results, this video will fix it completely. First, we're going to rebuild the entire Windows search index, which forces Windows to rescan your entire system for files, apps, and settings. This step alone can instantly fix 90% of search issues, especially if your search is blank or extremely slow. Follow me carefully. Click on the Start menu, then click the Settings gear icon. On the left sidebar, click Privacy and Security. Now scroll down and click Searching Windows. Inside this page, under the section More Search Indexer Settings, click Advanced Indexing Options. In the new window, click Advanced. Under the Index Settings tab, you'll see a button that says Rebuild. You may click it. You'll get a warning saying, rebuilding the index might take a long time. Just press OK. This process clears all the corrupted search index data and starts a full reindex from scratch. Let it run for 10 to 15 minutes depending on your files. Once done, restart your PC. When you come back, test the search bar. It should now be lightning fast and perfectly responsive. Method 2. If your search bar is still not responding, this next method goes deeper inside Windows core services. We'll re-register all search-related system packages that might have gone missing or broken after updates. Press Windows plus X and select Windows Terminal, Admin, or PowerShell, Admin. Copy and paste this entire command carefully. On DiePlay, also in description, hit Enter and let the command run. This command reinstalls and re-registers the Windows Search app package for every user account, repairing any corrupted search components or missing manifest files. Once it finishes, close PowerShell and restart your computer. After the reboot, test your search bar again. You'll notice it's back to normal. Smooth, instant, and accurate. And that's it. If this helped you, give this video a quick like, and don't forget to subscribe for more advanced Windows repair guides like this one.